Welcome to HelloSend. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to send automated SMS and WhatsApp messages in HubSpot workflows using HelloSend. Step 1. Create a webhook in HelloSend. Let's start by creating a webhook inside HelloSend. In HubSpot, open the Contacts section and select any contact. On the right side app panel, find HelloSend DM and click the HelloSend DM button. This will open the HelloSend panel. At the top right corner, click the three-line menu icon to expand the options. From the sidebar, go to Messaging, Automation, Webhook. Now, click Create to start setting up your new webhook. Next, enter your webhook details. Give your webhook a friendly name so you can easily identify it later. Select the SMS enabled or WhatsApp number you'll use to send automated messages. Then choose the relevant CRM module, for example, contacts or company. Finally, map the correct phone field from your CRM to ensure messages are sent accurately. Step 2. Build your campaign flow. Add your first step. Send a welcome message immediately. Choose a message template for this step. Then, add your second step, a follow-up message to be sent 1 hour later. You can enable Stop on Reply to automatically end the sequence when a customer responds. Once you're done, click Save to finish. Your campaign will now appear in the automation table inside HelloSend. Copy the webhook URL from HelloSend. Step 3. Connect the webhook in HubSpot. In HubSpot, go to the sidebar, Automation, Workflows. Click Create Workflow from scratch. Here, create the condition-based trigger for your automated message. Select data values, then click Record Created and choose Contact or Company. If you want to add any additional conditions, you can do that here. Otherwise, click Next, then Save and Continue. Next, create your workflow action. Select Data Ops and choose Send a Webhook. Set the method to Post, then paste your HelloSend webhook URL into the webhook URL field. In the request body, set key equals selected id. For select a property, choose record ID. Click Save to complete the workflow method. Give your workflow a friendly name so it's easy to identify later. Click Review and Publish. Check all the details, enrollment, time and performance, connections and workflow details. Finally, click Turn on Workflow. Once the condition-based workflow is triggered, the message will be sent automatically through HelloSend. Step 4. Track and monitor. Back in HelloSend, go to Messaging Automation Webhook. Here, you can view the automation you created, check message delivery status, review customer responses, and access performance reports. With HelloSend, you can seamlessly automate SMS and WhatsApp communication in HubSpot, saving time, improving response rates, and keeping your customer workflows simple and efficient. Thanks for using HelloSend.